Brand new house, thermostat, second floor. I have it set for 65 degrees. It's currently 66 degrees in here. A home inspector is only required to operate the thermostat to see if the system is operating properly. What I'm not required to do is come over to a register and put a thermal camera on it and verify that we have nice cold air coming out. Okay, 42 degrees. Temperature of the internal wall is 65 degrees, so interior walls give you your best ambient temperature. So this second floor is zoned. In fact, this house has 3 zones. This thermostat should only take care of bedrooms. There's a laundry room, bedroom. This is the master. The master has its own thermostat behind the door. A really dumb place to put it. It is currently set for 73. It's not on. So let's see if we have any air coming out of the, oh, look at that. 65 degree air coming out of there. Looks like we have some improperly installed insulation here. Same thing, 45 degree air, and as we go through the master bathroom and the closet, we have the same thing. So this thermostat is not operating for the area that it's serving. It's not zoned properly. And then there's another zone downstairs. I find this on about 20% of my new builds. So the plot thickens. This is the second floor thermostat in the bedroom. It's off. It's set to 73 degrees. I am currently running the first floor thermostat and verifying that there is cold air coming out of every register downstairs, that something hasn't been concealed. And as I come up here, I do have cold air now coming out of the supplies for this side of the house. Brand new home.